Hi and welcome. I'm Gilbert Steinke from Next Step Systems. Today I'm excited to share something with you that could really change the way we look at and improve our manufacturing processes, helping us stay competitive. We're talking about using two new tools that you may not be familiar with, the AirTable database and the custom VSM.GPT that I created to make the analysis run smoother and more efficiently. These tools can transform how we handle value stream mapping and data analysis. You know how in businesses, especially in manufacturing, we always try to figure out the best way to get things done. That's what value stream mapping or VSM is all about. It helps us see all the steps involved in making a product from start to finish so we can spot any problems and fix them. But here's the thing, doing this the way we are doing it right now can be a real pain. It's slow, takes a lot of effort, and let's face it, humans make mistakes. Now imagine if we could use technology to make this whole process a lot easier and more accurate. That's where VSM.GPT comes in. This tool uses artificial intelligence to take all the heavy lifting out of the value stream mapping process. It analyzes data super fast, gives you real-time insights, and even suggests ways to make things better. Why should you care about VSM.GPT? Well, here are 5 points. VSM.GPT can handle data way faster than we can, and it doesn't make mistakes like we sometimes do. It gives you up-to-the-minute information so you can make decisions quickly. Not only does it tell you what's wrong, but it also gives you practical advice on how to fix it. It helps you keep improving your processes over time so you don't just fix things once and forget about them. VSM.GPT can be used alongside tools you are already familiar with, especially when you need to create the value stream map the traditional way. You can just take this information from the VSM and use it in tools that you're familiar with. So why now? You might be wondering why you should care about this right now. Well, businesses that can adapt quickly and efficiently have a huge advantage. If you can streamline your operations and cut out waste, you'll be miles ahead of the competition. And with VSM.GPT, you can do all that without the usual hassle. So in this presentation, I'm going to show you exactly how VSM.GPT works with real data and real results. By the end, you'll see just how powerful this tool can be for your business. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. It can be the difference between staying ahead or falling behind. Thanks for joining me today. Let's dive in and see how we can optimize your processes with AirTable and VSM.GPT. It all begins and starts with training. One critical aspect of making VSM.GPT work effectively is training it with specific operational data. Just like when I went to university, I just did not become an engineer. I also had to go through classes, go through 4 years of study just to absorb all of the information to become, down the road, to become an engineer eventually. And it's the same thing here with the VSM training. We're integrating seamlessly with existing systems, learning the nuances of production processes, working effectively with specific operational data. VSM.GPT has also been trained using a vast array of information from books, PDFs, manuals, software, spreadsheets, and information found on the internet. And it has also learned from instruction manuals on value stream mapping. This extensive training enhances the accuracy and relevance of the analysis it provides, ensuring that the insights and recommendations are specifically suited to your unique operational needs. Airtable is a powerful tool that combines the simplicity of a spreadsheet with the functionality of a database. It helps you organize and manage data effortlessly, making it perfect for tracking all the details in your manufacturing processes. Plus, it supports team collaboration, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Here's a quick demonstration how to use Airtable forms for data collection. These forms are designed to be user-friendly and can be taken on site to capture all necessary data accurately. By using these forms, you ensure that the data collected is comprehensive and complete, which is crucial for meaningful analysis. Before we enter data into the Airtable, it's essential to go out to where the action is and collect data accurately. This step involves getting comprehensive data from various departments, ensuring it's accurate and ready for analysis. Accurate data collection is the foundation for meaningful insights and effective process optimization. Once the forms are filled out and submitted, the data is automatically saved into the Airtable database. This makes data entry efficient and ensures that all collected data is organized in a structured manner ready for analysis. After completing data collection and entry, the next step is to convert the data from the Airtable into CSV format. This conversion is crucial because the CSV file will be used to upload the data into the VSM.GPT for further analysis. The user can easily direct the system to generate a CSV file from the collected data. With the CSV file ready, the final step is to upload it to VSM.GPT. VSM.GPT will process this data, providing in-depth analysis and actionable insights based on the collected information. This step ensures that your value stream is thoroughly evaluated and optimized. Once the data is collected to VSM.GPT, it will analyze the collected data sets and provide a comprehensive overview of the current value stream. This overview includes detailed insights into each step of the process, helping you identify any inefficiencies or bottlenecks that need to be addressed. Based on the detailed analysis, VSM.GPT will propose an overview of recommendations for optimizing your value stream. While it won't create a visual for value stream map, it provides insight to key focus areas that need improvement and hence efficiency and productivity. So I ran a sample here. I uploaded some data here, and I'm going to run it. It's about 3 minutes long. Here and there, I'll make some comments on it. Later on, you can go back to the video and that you'll receive, and you can start and stop it and just have a look at different things if you're so interested in. So here's the analysis that I did. I uploaded data that I collected on I think it was some type of welding head or something like that. And there are 3 process stations, I believe. But anyhow, have a look at this here, and we'll have a short discussion afterwards on this here. As you notice up here, the analysis created an error in there, and it recognized that, and it recreates it again. So it analyzes and recreates it again. So that's pretty smart of it, that even if it does make a mistake, it can do that part of it. It now gives all the data back now, what it found in that information package that was submitted, and all of that, it brings it out here so that the user here, myself, can recognize that it's done, and now it's doing the calculation and working on it and determining next step. So now I've asked it to do some highlights, including creating some visual graphs here on the downtime and basically the information that I have collected. So it creates a table with the value stream metrics. So it's stamping, welding, assembly, and then it has the downtime table graphs, and then it has changeover time, inventory levels, scrap rates, rework rates, downtime, throughput, visualizations, and then it has some recommendations. I then asked it to do some more analysis on it, and it's done it again, and now it has created a different set of downtimes because I wanted some different information here. It goes cycle time, inventory, and works through all of that part of it. And goes next steps. And I said, okay, now I want recommendations for the company on how it should proceed in actually implementing it and what it should do to actually take it to this ideal state. And it gives a whole list of things that should be done at the various stations to accomplish that. And then I said, well, I don't know, it's just running here right now. I just don't want to stop it. But I'm asking now for more detailed information on specific items. Again, you can see it takes it very seriously. It actually does the analysis, and it actually creates an ideal state, and it talks about the percentage losses. And so this is the ideal state right now that it's talking about. And then I said, well, to create the ideal state now as a value stream. And basically, it can't create it so it just created dots. But for each of the stations, it now gave the data for it. And it's giving us a transition plan, which I asked. And now I've asked it to create an executive summary that includes a number of things. Also, how much the cost savings would be if it would be implemented. And it goes through here, gives the downtime again. Here's the final report, current and ideal metrics it talks about, visual comparison, transition plan, expected cost reductions that are talked about, and a conclusion it gives. So if I go up, just back a little bit, let's see here. And if I can see here, no, let's go back here maybe. Because I thought it said even what the costs were here. Oh. No, it doesn't. Okay, well, you can always go into that slide itself, but that's what this is all about here. So I want to continue on now here and close off with some information that we still have here. Well, comparing traditional and analysis to VSM.GPT. So let's compare traditional to the VSM. Traditional VSM is manual and time-consuming, often prone to errors. In contrast, VSM.GPT automates the process, making it more efficient and accurate. It significantly speeds up the analysis, allowing you to make data-driven decisions faster. Now let's talk about how to get started with VSM.GPT. Setting it up is straightforward and it integrates seamlessly with your existing systems. Proper training ensures that the VSM.GPT platform performs optimally, providing the most accurate and relevant insights for your operations. What are the advantages? Well, implementing VSM.GPT brings numerous advantages. It improves efficiency and productivity by automating data analysis and providing real-time insights. Additionally, it supports continuous improvement by helping you identify and address inefficiencies regularly. You will also see significant efficiency gains and cost reductions. Moreover, by reducing the routine task load, you can increase employee satisfaction as they can focus on more valuable, engaging work. Embracing VSM.GPT positions your business to stay competitive with cutting-edge AI technology. It allows you to adapt to market changes quickly and innovate, ensuring you remain a leader in your industry. By integrating AI, you can transform your operations, make data-driven decisions, and maintain a competitive edge. Consider the transformative impact on your operations to take the next steps toward operational excellence. So thank you for joining me today and taking the time to learn about AirTable and VSM.GPT. We're here to help and guide you through the process. If you need more information or want to start you on your journey with these tools, please reach out to us at gilbertas@shaw.ca or ghssteinke@gmail.com. Or as you see on the screen, there's my telephone number as well. Thank you for your attention and interest, and we look forward to working with you together.